Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Java Virtual Machine Launcher error. Could not create the Java Virtual Machine. A fatal exception has occurred. Program will exit. Let's fix it guys. You just need to go to search menu and type advanced system settings. Comes up view advanced system settings. Click on open it. Under startup and recovery, select environment variables. Under system variables, select new. Now you just need to check my video description for this text used in my video. Just need to copy the first text and paste in the variable's name, and copy the second text and paste it in the variable's value. And after pasting both, you just need to select OK, select OK, and select OK. Now you need to go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, your problem should be fixed guys. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.